In this short tutorial, you will learn how to open PSD file in GIMP. So with this short tutorial, I hope I'll save you time and you'll learn something in a short amount of time. So I hope in this short explanation, you'll discover how you can achieve this. So let's jump right in this video now. So you're gonna have to click on File here, and then here you click on Open. And then now here, okay, I'm in the right folder, but I still can't find the folder that I'm looking for. Actually, I can find the folder I'm looking for, which is this one here, downloads. So if I click on download here, now I can't find the exact file I'm looking for. So that's because I need to check show all files. And now here, if I scroll down or up, I'm just gonna click on modify by, and I should be able to find that one here by size. And I just don't want to look through it, but it should be here. Okay, this is the one, and I click on open, and now it says here that import from PDF duotone. So one page selected, select all also, open pages as layers, of course, and here I just click on import now, and I have this PDF file. And yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Subscribe for more and take care.